Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the Safari cannot open the page because the address is invalid error on your iPhone or iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1. Clear Safari history and website data. First, open the Settings app on your device. On the Settings app, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Now scroll down again and tap on Safari. Now scroll down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Select all history if prompted and then tap Clear History to delete all browser history. Step 2. Check date and time settings. Go back to the main settings screen, scroll up and tap on General. In the General menu, tap on Date and Time. Turn off Set Automatically and make sure the date, time and time zone are set correctly. Step 3. Reset network settings. Once done, go back to the previous menu, scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset and then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Then tap Reset Network Settings again to confirm. And that's it. Now try opening Safari again and the issue should be resolved. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.